So hi, hello. Here is Marissa and 2 astrolorps and a Easter egger, and they're just so sweet. I'm raising 2 of these for Liz, Vidara, and Marissa is just the sweetest mom ever. You can see that she lets me touch her babies, and she's just really sweet. Here you go, honey. Here. So I'm charmed by them. We lost a black astrolorp in the first batch. Hi. Hello, little babies. And they're just wonderful, so we're very excited. And to have little fluffy butts in the house is just remarkable. Remarkable. Hi, babies. 1, 2, 3. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you.